Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how you can use Autoclicker app on your phone. At first, I want to show you what are the benefits of this app and how it works. Suppose I need a lot of friends on Facebook. There are a lot of friend requests here. It is very difficult for me to accept them one by one. So I am using the Autoclicker app. I am just patting the target button on confirm and clicking on the play button. After clicking on the play button, the friend request will be accepted automatically. If you wish, you can accept all the friend requests in this way. Besides, there are many more things that can be done by this app. Now I will show you how to install and how to set up this app. Before starting, I would like to say you subscribe my channel to get latest updates. To install the app, you can go to Google Play Store or download it from the description link given below. After going to Google Play Store, you will search by typing Autoclicker. The first app you see here is one you need to install. The size of the app is about 2 MB. So since I have installed it, I am opening it. After opening the app, some settings need to be done. Here you will click on OK. Then you have to give a permission. See below, there is an option written Autoclicker. From here, you will turn on Autoclicker. Click OK. The setting is done. Now look here, there are two options. One is single target mode and the other is multi-target mode. You can click one by one with single target mode, and with multi-target mode you can click many at once. For example, after I click on single target mode, a button is shown here, and if I click on multi-target mode, I can create many buttons here. I made 3 buttons. Now if I click on the play button, one click after another will be done. First, the button will be clicked at 1, then at 2, then at 3. You can create different configurations by clicking on this gear icon. There are 3 options: run indefinitely, amount of time, and number of cycles. You can do personal settings from here and you can save this. Try this yourself. No more today. Comment below if you have any questions.